Hello all, welcome to rotanews.com. In this session, we'll discuss about a master detail form in Oracle Apex. Let's get into agenda. I'll try to understand what is master detail and what are the different type of style master detail styles are available and the sample demo of different page styles. Let us understand what is a master detail form. A master detail form is kind of a page where it allows us to perform all the DML operation, and also it involves two tables, like one is a master and another is a child kind of thing. Okay. Now let us see the different type of master detail styles which are available. So here, if you observe, these are the different type of styles which are available when you select a page type as master detail. One is stacked, side by side, and drill down. You can observe the pictorial representation here, like when you say stacked, and side by side and a drill down. Let us get some description of this one as well, also look and feel of these particular styles. So a stacked type means you'll have the header, the parent data or a master table in the above, and you'll have the child data in the below. So once you select the parent record, you'll get a child record. When I say parent, it's nothing but a master record and a child record. So here, if you observe, right, this is one interact grid and this is another interact grid, and it's a single page. A single page, two interactive grids and two tables. One is master table and other is a child table. Okay, so this is all about a stacked one. Okay, this is how the stacked master detail form looks like. Let us see the other one side by side. So in the side by side, what exactly happens is the left side, the one which you are seeing is a master one, and the right side which you are seeing is a detail one. So here, if you observe, this left side is a master, and this is my master data, and this down one EMP data, which is a child data. Okay, so this is how a side by side looks. And if at all, if you want to create a record, it will go to the new page. Okay, and coming to the drill down, in the drill down, it involves two pages. The first one which you are seeing, it will just have the master information, and if at all, if you want to view any of the information, you need to click on this particular icon, and it will show the master data plus child data. And if you're creating a new record also, you have to create a master first, later it allows to create a child one. Okay, so we'll try to see a live demo of all these three different styles. Okay, let us go to the Apex instance now. So let me open my Apex instance. That's okay. Let me sign in. Okay, so quickly I'll create a workspace. New application, sorry. We'll create a new application, master detail app. Okay, so in our samples, we'll use the two tables. One is DPT table, other one is a EMP table. DPT is our master table, EMP is our child table. So click on create page. Now select the page type as master detail, and now select stacked one. And now it will ask what is the page name. So I'll say DPT EMP master detail stack. Okay, click on next. Now create a navigation entry. Click on next. Now it is asking what is the master region title. So I'll say DPT master, and we want to mention the DPT stuff table. And also, when you're dealing with master detail, always select primary key as row ID only. Click on next. And now mention the detail stuff, EMP details region. Next, mention the EMP and primary key is row ID. Now we have to mention the relationship between DPT and EMP, nothing but master child. So DPT, the first one, the left side, which shows a parent one, and the right side, it shows a child one. Okay. Now click on create. Okay, so it should be creating now. Just a couple of seconds. Yep, the page is almost ready. Now let's run the page. Login. Okay, so this is how a master detail of stack looks like. So now let us say I can edit any of the record. Assume that I want to change the commission to 1% and click on save. Now I'll click on add row. Okay, I'll just say a 70 as a new department, 70 online 70. And now I can enter the EMP record 12370, new 12370, and we can mention the salary and click on save, right? It says a value larger than a specified precision allowed. Check it out on which column it is. It is not telling the column, right? Okay, it is definitely on the EMP. So check it out. Maybe I'll just say EMP number. Okay, that's somewhere the issue with the EMP number. It's okay. Yeah, we could see the EMP record now, right? Now, let us see the other sample. I'll click on application, create page, master detail. Now we'll select side by side. Okay, so I'll say side by side, master detail. Click on next, create a new entry. And master is DBT. And a primary display column. We require 2 columns to be displayed when you are dealing with a side by side. So the primary display, I'll select D name, department name, and secondary, I'll select location. And what is the detail table? We'll select EMP, and then, okay, that's it, EMP. Click on create. Okay, so this is side by side. Let's see how it looks like. And in this one, the page is divided into 2 regions, left side as well as right side. And this left side one, what you're seeing is the master data, right? And the right side, what you're seeing is the master plus child data. Nothing but here, if you observe, it shows accounting New York, and of course, like in a different format. And now it shows a clear format, right? Let us say if it is having more columns, you should be able to see more columns. But this DBT was having only 3 columns. One is the primary key, which is hidden, and the remaining columns are displayed here. Okay. Now let's say if at all, if you click on create, right, it shows like this. Okay, and if at all, if you want to edit it, it shows as a pop-up. Okay, so look and feel is quite different from the other one which we have seen. Okay, now let us see the other one also. Create page, master detail, and now this one is a drill down. Okay, where it involves multiple pages, and it is saying master page name. So I'll just say drill down master, and it is also saying detail page name. Drill down detail page, I'll say master page and detail page. It will create 2 pages. Okay, create a new navigation entry and mention the master source. Master source is DBT, and go with the primary key. Okay. Next one is a detail stuff. It is EMP. Okay, and the foreign key, we know that it's a DBT to DBT relationship. Click on create. So let's click on run. Okay, so this is a master page which you are seeing. Now let us say if at all, if you want to see the information, you need to click on edit on any of the record. It shows the information in the header part, the master data, and in the down, it shows the child data, nothing but EMP records. Let us say if you want to see the next record, you need to click on this icon. You can see the data of the next department and the respective employee data of the selected department. Okay, so if at all, if you want to go back, click on cancel. And if at all, if you want to click on a new record, let us say click on create. Now it says 90. Online and create. That's it. Now Okay, so it seems it's there already. Let's say 120, 12, online 12. Okay. Okay, some more issue. Let's say it could be one. It's all the database set of validations, right? Yeah. Okay. This is the one which we created, one online. And once you click on edit, now we can enter the child data. Now we can enter the child data. Okay. So this is how a master details set of things which looks like, right? So as of now, we have seen department, like we have seen stacked one, we have seen side by side, as well as we have seen the drill down master. Okay, so of course, as of now, we have not written any coding, but what we can do is initially we can just simply create them. Later on, we can customize them to have a multiple requirement. I mean, modify it. You can add up the validations, and you can enhance it according to your requirements. Okay, so this is all about a different set of master detail samples in Oracle Apex. Thank you.